Alright guys, this is the vlog. We're in Vail, Colorado, elevation 7,560 here. We're in the rooftop tent. So I got the battery right here hooked up to the diesel heater. Diesel heater's on the absolute lowest setting, 1 out of 10. And it is very toasty in here. Outside was about 30 degrees, and let's see here, this thing is reading 60 degrees in the tent. Any warmer would be too hot. So yeah, 60 is nice. Low humidity, no carbon dioxide. I also have a carbon dioxide detector right here. Another one, I don't know if you can see that right there. So yeah, we're parked in my friend's driveway here, and gonna ski Vail tomorrow and Sunday. Sunday's supposed to get like 15 inches. Yeah, it's pretty comfy in here. So, gonna watch a movie for a little bit, and then hit the hay here soon. Good night. Alright, it's 7 a.m. Slept like a baby. It was really nice. No condensation at all. Yeah, the walls are dry. The tent was so good. Yeah, I slept really good. Heat is still pumping out. Let's see, the battery here. Still have 77% left. Just charging my phone and running the heater all night long. Granted, I did go to sleep at like 12:30, so it's not that many hours, maybe like 6 or 7 hours. Yeah, heat's still blasting. It is 66 degrees in here. Very low humidity. Let's see what it looks like outside. Ooh, bit nippy out there. Yep, very nice night. Okay, here's the next update. So I spent the night in my friend's driveway. It was very warm in there. Outside temp 35. This thing's a little off. I feel like it's a tiny bit colder than that. And this was running for about 6 hours. Used maybe 20% of a 1-gallon tank. It's actually insane. Oh my god. It's so quiet too. Like, I know it sounds maybe a tad bit loud right here, but it is so quiet. When you're in the tent, you don't really hear anything. Like here, let me show you one more time. Super quiet. All right, well, I'm gonna pack up my stuff here, head to the mountain. I'm gonna time it actually. I'm gonna see how long it takes me to pack up everything. But first I'm gonna go use their shower and bathroom. All right, see you later. All right, well, as you can see, got everything packed away. Oh, little strap sticking out. But yeah, got everything packed away in pretty fast time. I wasn't trying to like set any records, but I was definitely moving, fast just to see how fast it takes. So I just checked out the clock. Clock is at 13 minutes and 20 seconds. That's basically to put away all my bedding, disassemble the heater, put the battery away. I have my sleeping bags, and then close the rooftop tent, fold up the ladder, and yeah, just basically be ready. All I got to do now is just bungee cord the heater in, because you can see the bungee cord sticking out. But yeah, see you later.